In this project, we started by mobilizing local leaders and key informants, and then we reviewed the secondary sources of indigenous knowledge, after which we were able to organize 2 workshops, first to sensitize the leaders, and then we had another workshop to capture the indigenous knowledge. We had the training in soil conservation practices. We also had the training in medicinal plants, tree planting and establishing of medicinal gardens. We went into the community in the 4 project areas to form family nature clubs. These family nature clubs had families who were registered, and each family was engaged in different project activities, which included the following.
We have been delighted to host family groups from the areas around Entebbe, particularly in Wakiso district. Reason why they are here is to learn from the wildlife that we have, because many of the animals that we have here are of cultural importance in our communities. For instance, the totems that we greatly associate with in our cultures stem from the animals that we have here. We also hope that we can have people appreciate nature more. We want them to spend more time outside their homes so that they are able to see value in nature. Taking a walk along the beach, taking a forest walk, letting the children play in the gardens rather than indoors. We think that will add value to our communities so that in the long run, they fall in love with nature and then thereafter conserve it.
We decided to use indigenous knowledge in this project in order to connect families to nature, to encourage them to conserve nature through totems, through taboos, through folk songs, riddles, and use of medicinal plants. This indigenous knowledge, families will be able to learn about soil conservation and hence increasing food productivity, and finally improving livelihood issues in the community.
We also organized a community cleanup.
We are using this project to see how we can rejuvenate indigenous knowledge. Long ago, communities used to apply indigenous knowledge for conservation. Families used to sit around a fire with their parents and grandparents, and they would tell them stories about indigenous knowledge and how to save the environment and conservation in general. So this project is aimed at reviving this special knowledge by inculcating it and awakening the communities to use this knowledge for conservation.
Tuli basanyufu nnyo iweko kutuleetera pulojekiti eno okusimba emiti. Tusanyuse nnyo abasomesa okutuyigiriza engero, tusanyusa omusomesa okubeera nti atusomesa ku miti giriko eddagala, era emiti gye tusimbye tugenda kubeera nti tugirabirira bulungi nnyo olw'ekijjukizo kino. Era tubeebaza nnyo abayiweeka beebale nnyo beebale ddala omulimu gwe batukoledde, kuba n'abato kati bayize ebintu bye bali tebamanyi.